Yesterday we have seen the casting. Now today we will see the forging. Forging is a manufacturing process in which metal is shaped by impact or the shape is given with very high pressure. The metal is squeezed to attain the desired shape, and this requires a metal to be very hot or plastic condition if it is a hot working. For cold working, the pressure required is more. Now there are two types of forging process. One is hot forging. Hot forging is controlled plastic deformation of metal at elevated temperature into predetermined size and shape by using compressive forces. Compressive forces are exerted through some type of die by hammer or press or forging machine, and this hot forging is going to be carried out above the recrystallization temperature. It is carried out above the recrystallization temperature. Next one is hammer or smith forging. In this process, parts are heated in smith's open furnace and forced into required shape with hand tools without the aid of die. That means the process is slow. It is low accuracy and finish depends upon the skill of the operator. It is the production of agricultural tools and maintenance work, etc. Again, according to this, we may also say that it is a classification of open forging and closed forging. ओपन फोर्जिंग जर गावाकडे जर बघितलं असेल लोहारकाम, तो काय करतो, भात्यामध्ये गरम करतो आणि गरम केल्यावर त्याला मारून त्यांनी वेगवेगळे शेप देतो. जे ह्याचे शेतीची जी उपकरणं आहेत ते बनवताना तुम्ही बघितलं जर असेल, म्हणून म्हणत असतो मी, डोळे उघडे ठेवा, कान उघडे ठेवा, अर्धे इंजिनियर तुम्ही तिथं असेल. तर त्याच्या हिशोबाने जर तुम्ही बघितलं असेल तर तो काय करतो, भात्याने तो हवा देतो, हवा देऊन तो फ्लेमला गरम करतो, फ्लेमला ज्वलन करतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण ते जे स्टील पार्ट आहे तो आतमध्ये ठेवून त्याला रेड हॉट करतो आणि मग त्याच्यावरती त्याला हॅमरनी मारतो. ते एक प्रकारे इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ओपन फोर्जिंग और हॅमर फोर्जिंग. आणि दुसरा आहे क्लोज फोर्जिंग. ठीक आहे. अँड थर्ड वन इज द ड्रॉप फोर्जिंग. In this process, specified weight hammer is raised to a definite height and it's allowed to fall freely under its own weight as shown in figure. ठेवलेले वरतून सोडलं, फायनल शेप असा येईल. The upper half of the die is mounted on the hammer and metal is placed over the lower half of the die. In drop forging process, impression dies are used to control the shape and size. The hammer used may be gravity type or hydraulic type. Upset forging consists of gripping of hot parts between two dies and striking the protruding end at one end. हा इकडून ठेवलेला आहे आणि इकडून येऊन ह्याला मारलं, काय होईल, हा जो शेप आहे मोठा त्याला हेड तयार झाल्यासारखं होईल. ऑफसेट फोर्जिंग इज यूज मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग गिअर फ्लॅंक्स, एक्सेल्स एट्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रेस फोर्जिंग. फोर्जिंग ऑफ पार्ट्स बाय प्रेस इन्वॉल्व क्लोज स्क्वीजिंग ऑफ प्लास्टिक मेटल. hydraulic or mechanical press are used to carry out the operation. The operation is faster. The whole operation is carried out in a single squeezing operation. Deep penetration is obtained because enough time is allowed to the metal to flow. बघितलं, हा शेप द्यायचा आहे, त्याला वरतून दिल्यानंतर तो पूर्ण ह्याच्यामध्ये जाण्यासाठी त्या एवढं दाबलं जातं. डीप पेनिट्रेशन इज ऑब्टेन्ड थ्रू टाइम इज अलाउड टू मेटल टू फ्लो. More complicated shapes with better dimensional accuracy can be forged. Roll forging. The figure shows one of the roll forging operation. Workpiece is fed against the set of rollers and rollers are given particular shape at the periphery ॲज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट. द रोलर शेप्स, हा जो शेप द्यायचा आहे तो त्याच्यामध्ये दिलेला आहे. द रोलर शेप्स अप्लाइड द फोर्स टू ऑन द प्रॉडक्ट अँड ऑल्सो रोटेट. द रिक्वायर्ड साइज is obtained in more than one stages. Roll forging is used to produce the levers, leaf springs, cutlery items, scissors, etc. Cold forging. Hot forging नंतर cold. In cold forging process, the metal is performed by application of impact forces at room temperature. In hot forging, it is above the recrystallization temperature. It is at room temperature or below the recrystallization temperature. The metal flows due to impact force and required shape is obtained by using suitable dies. From coiled wire nails, rivets, small bolts, screws are manufactured by this method. This is the forging. For some additional information regarding forging, you can visit, there is a on Google Drive I have given a PPT or PDF on forging. You have to go through it, so you will get a additional knowledge regarding forging. Today by evening I will upload the university questions with answers on power transmission elements, and by tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will again post the university questions with answers for engineering materials, so you can go through it. Numericals also solved, so you go through the numericals. If any problem, you can call me. My number you are having, which is I am, whenever I am posting this on WhatsApp, automatically my number reflects. You can call me if any problem is there. Okay, thank you.